You are going to love the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.